Hey guys, it's Angie. Today I'm going to be doing something I've been wanting to do, but I've been impatient, so I haven't been able to do this. And if you don't know what I'm doing by now, by the title, which I think it's pretty obvious, and actually the title will be down there, not up there. Anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing my FABFITFUN for, what is this, spring? Okay. I haven't been doing FABFITFUN for too long. This is my second box that I get. The first one, I don't know, I think I wasn't too happy about it, but at the same time I did get a couple things that I liked. So we'll see how this goes. Haven't opened it yet. You guys are gonna get my first reaction. This, oops, probably shouldn't show you my address. This is what this season's box looks like. Shall we take a look? I should get scissors, I think. Yeah, definitely. Be right back. Change of plans. Who needs scissors when you got tweezers? Ooh. Look at the inside. Wow, I feel like I'm so unemotional in this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm not usually this much of a mess. And if you're not new and you're coming back, thank you for keeping up with me. Alright, so I just opened the box, and first thing you see is the magazine that tells you, oops, way not over there. The magazine that tells you what your box has and the price for each individual thing. For some reason, this picture, I feel like it has like a picture of like a hotel. I feel like I've seen that in some like YouTuber's thing or something. I don't know. Oh. It says by me posting this video, I could win a trip to Arizona to that picture. Pretty cool. Alright, definitely I'm gonna do that. Gina Rodriguez. Oh, it's the girl from Jane the Virgin on Life After Jane. Alright, I'm gonna look at that later. Not yet. What is this? You look good, but you're about to look better. Bite. I think this is lipstick. I already have some of their lipsticks. I think they're pretty. Oh wait, no they're not. I was totally off. There's a lipstick brand called Bite. That's not this. This is about like a teeth whitening or straightening thing. It's a discount. You get $200 off the aligners, and you can get the at-home impression kit for only $25. If I get $200 off, I wonder how much the actual thing is. Yikes! Then you have 10 free meals, including free shipping from HelloFresh. Oh, whoa, that's actually pretty cool. Claim with, that's perfect. I've been wanting to do HelloFresh lately. I've already tried it before, but I've literally been eating the same thing every single day. So that is amazing. You get 10 free meals with free shipping. Usually HelloFresh's like coupons that you get are a scam, and you end up paying a bunch of money still. That's actually a good deal. So then you have this packaged part with a little butterfly on it that says, share to win, hashtag FABFITFUN. Ooh, okay, first thing I see, Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Lotion, what is this? Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. I don't know. Am I gonna use this? I don't really know. Okay, so this is when we look at this thing. What is it called? Deep Sleep Body Cocoon 6A. I'm gonna tell you guys at the end how much this subscription costs because I don't remember. But their whole like shebang is that you're supposed to pay, I think it's like $50 4 times a year, so each season, and then you get like a lot more than what you pay for. So then, for example, this cream, which is the first thing that I got, is $40. So that basically already pays for the box, which I think all these things are overpriced or whatever. Silicone straws. Oh my god, these look like they're really cute. From Chic and Tonic. Whether you're drinking a whipped cream topped milkshake, green juice, or your favorite happy hour concoction, these colorful collapsible straws will brighten up your favorite beverages. Oh, what's that? What? That is genius! You can, I think, from what I understand, so you got these 4 made out of silicone. I feel like these are the cutest thing ever. I already have like metallic SoundCloud, I think is what it's called, straws. And the thin one I use almost every day for my smoothies on the way to work. And these are super cute. And then it comes with, the other ones also come with this straw cleaner. That's a brush. It looks almost the same. And then you get these 4 silicone straws that are so cute. And then you get this weird thing that I'm guessing you open, and then I think it says collapsible straws, colorful collapsible straws. Yeah, so I think you're supposed to keep, like, take one in here so you can take it on the go. And I guess you squish it in there. It's so cute. Let's do the yellow one because yellow's my favorite color. They're so bendy. I love it. I sound so fake. No, but I really do like it. I'm choking. Yeah, so you can like fold it up, put it in here, and then voila. And then I guess take it out and it goes. Okay. I like these. I'm excited about these. Alright, let's see how much these go for. I should totally say how much I think it would cost and then how much it actually is. I would only buy this if it cost like $10. I think that'd be, even though it's a little expensive, I think that would be a reasonable price. But I bet these are at least 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go with 20. Let's see. 7A, $15. That's actually not bad. I was expecting it to be more expensive. Next, mystery choice. Ooh. Last time I feel like there was nothing wrapped like this, like saying there was mystery. Because you get to pick a couple of things before the box comes. And then if you pay more, you can pick more of your items, which I think is kind of dumb, but whatever. This is the Better Skin Co. Better Skin Epic C Serum. Power Trio Complex. Heighten, Brighten, Revitalize. I feel like there's a lot of stuff in these boxes that I wouldn't pick up, definitely. This is one of them. As well as that first one. I probably wouldn't pick that up either. But I feel like these are good things to have when you want to try something new, you know? Okay, how much do I think this is? It has a lot. I'm gonna go with 30 for this little container. Where is it? I don't see it. Is there not a picture of it on here? Where is it? Am I just blind? Okay, it's not on here. At least I'm pretty sure that it's not. I don't know why. So I'll probably look this up online and see how much it is, and I'll put it over here. Next, Amber Seats. I think I picked these, if I'm not mistaken. It's 2 gold little necklace pendants or whatever. The Amber Seats necklace is made with quality and... Why am I reading this? It's really just 2 necklaces. Okay, my prediction on this... Honestly, it looks cheap, but I feel like it's not that cheap because I've gotten jewelry in my last box, and I wore it and I like tested it and with like I would wet it and everything, and it wouldn't rust or anything. So, oh, but it says body lotion and perfume will tarnish your necklace, so that means that it's cheap. So I'm gonna go with $10. 3A, $50. Why would these be $50 if it's something that's gonna turn black? I don't understand that, but okay. I see something else on here that I think I might have picked, and I'm a little bit excited, and I think I just saw it. I've been trying to like not look into the box just so I don't see what's there, but I'm pretty sure I just saw what I was talking about. Since I'm talking about it, might as well bring it up. These are Cowpack packaging tubes. These are bigger than I expected. Oh my god, but I'm excited to use these. These are, I don't know if you guys have seen those little like square cubes or whatever that you put into your suitcase to like separate your different items that you have. I always carry a carry-on because I'm cheap like that. So I feel like these might not even fit in there. It's a set of 3 and it's small, medium, large, 3-piece set. I think I wanted to get the, like, there was another pattern of these. I wanted to get that one, but they ran out. I think that's what happened. Well, it even has a little slot for you to put like a label on. So see, this is the small one. So you have like zippers and it's mesh, and then, I don't know, I guess you just put like your panties or whatever you have in here. And you put a label in here, and then you have on the back this other zipper compartment to put other stuff. And it's really cute because it's like a yellow-orange gradient. And then they basically all look the same, except there's a small, a medium, and a large. How much I think those are? I probably already saw how much they were when I picked them online, but I don't remember how much that was. I'm gonna say, I want to say 50, but I feel like I've been saying 50, so I'm going to say 40. Let's see. 2A. Cowpack set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet or tutti frutti. I wanted the tutti frutti, but I'm pretty sure they didn't have that anymore. 40 bucks. I was right. Okay, next, Doni. I don't know what this is. I guess it's some shirt. Sweater or something? I'm excited. I haven't gotten any clothes lately. I've been trying to save money. Doni? Wow, how am I... What is this? Oh, it's a cardigan! I think I picked this one. This is like... Ooh, I like it. It's like a really nice material. It's a ribbed material, and it has different colored stripes on it. So it's like a gray and white, well not white, but like gray and ivory or something. And it's just very relaxed. Oh, let's see what it says. It's probably like really good for the environment or something. Oh, it says like a whole life. I'm back. Okay, so as I was saying, there's a little story on here. It says, Doni is an easy to wear collection of seasonal essentials that are hard to take off. Founder Alyssa Wasco, I don't know how to say that, began making scarves to cope with the loss of her father Donald. In his name, Doni, Donald seeks to create pieces that make you feel good. This begins by supporting the women who produce it and concludes with a donation to a different charity every season. Oh, that's really nice. This is called the Sandwash Cardigan, I think. I'm pretty sure I chose this, and that is so that I can wear it to work, because I wear cardigans to work all the time because it's always cold. Oh, how much I think that is? I'm gonna go with 30. 1B. $99? Next, Jaboneria Marianela, rosewood and linseed cubeba body oil with mongongo and pomegranate oil. Okay, hold on, let me read it like again because I don't know what that is. Rosewood and linseed cubeba, I don't know what linseed cubeba is. Body oil with mongongo and pomegranate oil. Pretty sure I'm never even gonna try this. I've never worn a body oil and I don't really see a need for it. I mean, I guess props for the packaging. It looks vintage. I feel like I'm a little girly, but I'm not that girly. I think this would be 30 bucks. Yes. 4B. Jaboneria Marianela, $68. Alright, there's one more thing in here. This is Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. I think I know what this is, and I think I'm also never gonna use it. Color enhancing pH balm. What? pH matching technology, universally flattering cherry pink shade. Can be used on lips and cheeks. Nourishes lips, pineapple flavor. Okay, so you can put it on your cheeks. Don't see for what. Oh, it looks like a bullet. It says Winky Lux on it. It's a rainbow. Oh, okay. It was broken. It literally just fell off. rolled on the floor. I probably wasn't gonna use it, but still doesn't mean I wanted it rolling on the floor. Okay, there's a hair on it. It has red, orange, and blue stripes on it. I wanna know if this happened to anyone else. Can I get my money back? Ay, ay, ay. Because it broke, I'm gonna say this was $10. And it was actually $18. That's actually not expensive. Thanks, FABFITFUN. All that's in here is just paper. These people need to become more eco-friendly. In support of Dress for Success. Does FABFITFUN do donations every season? I feel like it does, because it says that. I don't know. I wasn't too happy with this box. I liked the cubbies that I picked. I liked the cardigan that I picked. Oh, I really liked the straws. Oh, I liked the HelloFresh. Okay, I feel like it wasn't that bad. I feel like it wasn't that bad. I'm looking down there because that's where I have the things. I've been throwing them over there. I'm gonna give this box, I'm gonna give it a 5. I would have given it a 6 if the lip balm hadn't broken, but because it did, I'm gonna give it a 5. Okay. What disappoints me is that I liked the things that I chose. So like if I hadn't chosen anything, would I not have liked anything? I think I'm gonna order the HelloFresh meals like right after I finish filming this. I meal prep every week, so I might do my meal prep this Sunday with those free meals. Right now, we're like supposed to stay at home because of the coronavirus and everything. Even though I feel like not a lot of people are staying home, but I am because I'm just trying to prevent and be a good person, a good citizen, you know? Alright, well, I might try wearing the necklaces. The cubbies I'm definitely gonna use. Cardigan, probably gonna wear tomorrow. HelloFresh, I'm gonna order right now. I mean, I guess I could give those other things a try, but they're not really me. I might ask. Oh, I might. What if I do a giveaway? No, I'm too small for a giveaway. Why would I do it? As far as the box, I'm not a fan. Like, I just... this color, the background color, I feel like it's too neon. And it kind of clashes with the orange and purple and red. Like, I think if it was like this kind of... if it was this kind of like reddish tones, maybe I would like it. But I feel like the colors don't really go well together. Maybe it's because I'm a designer. I think anyone else would like it. And then the inside, I think the inside looks nicer than the outside. Oh, and there's little flowers too. Oh, those are cute. Yeah, I definitely like the inside better. And even the pink, I feel like is a softer pink than the one on the outside. And the butterflies are just so much simpler. I like them. I like the combination of this white with the pink and this one here too. And I like the little daisies. They're everywhere. I just don't like the outside. How much is a box? Oh, okay, well, the first one, if you get like referred by someone, you get $10 off, I guess. And it's 40 bucks. But then my second one was 50 bucks. 50 bucks, and we got 368 bucks out of it. It annoys me looking through the magazine that comes with it and seeing like all the things I could have gotten and then comparing it to the things I did get, because sometimes I feel like those things I would have liked more than the ones that I got. But I mean, you get what you get. $368. So I think all this is worth $368. Heck to the no. You know, stuff is overpriced. Anyways, that is it for this video. Remember to please like, comment, subscribe, stalk me on the web, follow all my social medias linked below, and yeah, skedaddle. Don't forget addle about me. No, not working, right? No. Comment what you would like me to do because I'm always open to new ideas. Bye! See you guys whenever I decide to post. Woohoo! Bye, see you guys later.